This is what the van looks like on a supply day. The kids are like not stoked. But they will be when it's all gone. We got like tons of fog going on in Lake Havasu. But yeah, this is the van on a bad day. This is my setup over here. This is the mini PC I was talking about in the last video. What's exciting is I ordered the new rig I'm going to try and set up. So that should be here Wednesday. And man, did I have to go through a lot of hoops for that. Like I basically had to, I don't know. I had to get some of it from Best Buy. Memory is super expensive right now. So pro tip, if you want to save like a couple $100, Best Buy is a good buy. And then we should find a new spot today and wait it out for a few days until all that stuff arrives, and then we can build a new computer again. This is the 4th computer in the van. So far this mini PC though, that's the one that's held up the best. And I'm still going to use it somehow. I think I'm going to take it and turn it into a headless server or something, but these are all like really involved projects. Because essentially, like I've spent the last week or two setting up the mini PC and my Odroid NAS server to work together really good, and they're just working so good right now, just in time for me to totally change the whole thing. So thankfully, I am on a bit of a break right now from work. I still have a client, but like I quit my job a few weeks ago, so I'll talk about that in a different video maybe.